here to sing You Are My Song as arranged by Sir Gerard Salonga. Please welcome, together with the Concert King, Mr. Martin Rivera, our total performer, Darren.
Playing so softly in my heart, I reach for you. You seem so near, yet so far. I hope and I pray you'll be with me someday. I know down inside you are mine and I'm yours. True love, or am I You are my soul. You are my soul.
Thank you very much, the Concert King, Mr. Martin Rivera. Thank you, Sir Mark. Tao ka ba? Tao ka ba?
Hindi ko rin po alam.
Ang lupit mo, Darren! Coach Sarah, ano masasabi mo sa duet na yon?
Wow! Unang-una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa ating Concert King, Mr. Martin Rivera! Thank you po, Sir Martin! Talaga napaka-supportive ni Sir Martin. And of course, to our Darren Espanto. Salamat po. Congratulations, Darren! Ako talagang malaking karangalan na naging bahagi ako, naging parte ako ng pagtupad ng mga pangarap mo. At talaga namang ngayong gabi, matutupad na talaga ang pangarap mo. Para sa akin, para sa aming lahat, talaga namang karapat-dapat ka na tawaging The Voice Kids Grand Champion. Tama ba ako, Salamat po, Coach! Salamat po sa mga magulang ni Darren at sa lahat po ng sumusuporta kay Darren. Salamat, Darren.
Thank you very much, Coach Sarah. Darren, maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
Nakakaloko yung galing mo. Thank you very much, Darren. Maraming salamat.
Thank you po.